about 45 minutes we have to catch the underground for our time ticket to go into Casa Batlló, or however you say it.
Meanwhile, I'm flashbacking to my high school days, junior high school.
Okay, cool.
It's delicious. Exciting.
It smells good. Thanks to a double-decker table, which the waitress just turned sideways. We can store our silverware down here and our drinks. So if you're only going to eat 1¼ meals per day, like we seem to do, you might as well go there. Now we just have to find it.
I'm completely disoriented, but okay. Right here.
Oh wow, is it really? Are you ready?
I'm ready. I love this place. I want this house. I love it. I love it. It's so cool.
With the admission?
Yeah, definitely.
No doubt.
I mean, if you love Gaudí, you have to come. If you don't care about Gaudí, don't come. But it's so cool. He's my favorite architect. The colors, the shapes, the imagination, just wonderful.
Same with different colors. Audio guide was saying that as you go up, the tiles themselves get darker because the light is stronger. The light is fainter down below, and the tiles are also lighter, so it makes a perfect balance. It's also suggested to peek through the glass here because you may have the sensation of being underwater. Apparently there's water within the glass. Running to get to our free tour, which starts in 6 minutes because we were a little bit late getting out of the Gaudí place. Casa Batlló. I learned how to pronounce it. We made it.
So welcome to Barcelona. The Old City Tour, how many of you have done the Gaudí tour? It's very, very different. This is more, it's general. We're going to cover 2,000 years of history in 2.5 hours. Which is quite a challenge, but we can do it.
So this, we learned, is the oldest example of, what was it called? Scriada, which is a style of working with sand and then scraping it off.
And some of the temple, well, 4 columns of that temple that they built 2,000 years ago, still stands today. And the reason it still stands is because in medieval times, they, thankfully, they incorporated the Roman columns into their own buildings.
So the 4 columns, we couldn't figure out why there was 4 columns blocking the view yesterday. Represent these 4 columns that she just told us about.
Now it makes sense.
And it's like, ding, 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 what'd you say? I'm like, that's why those 4 columns are there.
So did you say that the grotesques don't drain the water, but gargoyles do drain?
That's right. The grotesques, I can't remember the name of them. Grotesques are just ornamental, you know, scary face kind of guys.
Yeah.
And the gargoyles actually drain the water. Christmas here would be the Christmas everybody thinks about.
Well, why is that now?
Well, because they don't have Santa Claus. They have a Christmas log that the children feed, whatever you feed logs, she said, and they beat it
on Christmas Eve.
On Christmas Eve, so that, or Christmas Day, or whenever, to have it poop out presents for them, which are little treats.
That tour was really good, but I'll tell you what, I had no idea where we were for about 95% of the time.
That's how I feel most of the time, so welcome to my world.
Yeah.
She was really good. She was funny and she was interesting, and I just, Lisa, what's the tour group called? Runner Bean Tours. Runner Bean Tours. If you're ever in Barcelona, or whatever, yeah, if you go to Barcelona, I hope that you get her. But we've got to leave her a good thing on TripAdvisor. She is excellent. She's Irish, which is funny. There's a gelato. Is it Mercy?
Yeah, that's Catalan.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not Spanish.
Okay.
Yeah. Me too.
It's grainy.
Thank you. By the way, we don't really recommend that place. The gelato was okay. Not great, just okay. It had kind of a gritty texture, which my friend from Italy says means it's made with a powder base rather than like whatever they usually do. We only stopped because there was a cool fountain of chocolate. And because of the thing that the ice creams were in, spinning around. I may be crazy, but I'd swear the escalators are going the opposite direction today. Don't know if it looks prettier at sunset or I've just come to like the city more than I had yesterday. It's obligatory to include a shot of the Sagrada Familia every time you can see it.
Okay, Barcelona! Hello, everybody! Hola! Hola! No! A la cuenta de 3, I count to 3, okay? Fuerte el aplauso, gritos!
All these people are here, like us, to see this show.
That's funny.
What are they all doing?
Huh?
This is going to be the best Magic Fountain show in Barcelona you've ever seen.
No doubt. The only magic fountain show in Barcelona I've ever seen.
Ooh. Oh. Ooh.
This isn't even water.
No, it's like mist.
Yeah.
And it's different colors. This is really cool.
Okay.
I admit to being
This is a good light show.
surprised. Yeah.
Magic fountain. It is like fireworks. But it's like every firework is good, not just the finale.
Yeah. The fountain has turned white again, which I think is the sign that it's intermission. Well, the lights have gone out. Is that it? Oh. Aha.
Now it looks like mermaids come to like those 1930s movies and 40s, you know?
Yeah, the swim
Uncle
films.
Merman or whatever comes up on a lily pad. Pops out of water. Pretty impressive, I must say.
That's where we're going. The fountain show's still going. These stations have everything. They're like supermarkets and mobile phone stores and everything. Yeah, all your shopping done underground. That's about it from us tonight. Home. Chop till you drop.
Heck, when in Barcelona, looking at art, buy art. Here's the card.
Oh, I always say that too. What does this thing look like?
I thought it looked like a silver pretzel.
That's what I was thinking. planned performance?
It seemed like it would be a busker. I think it was like that one, that 15-piece orchestra or whatever. One never knows.
You've got dancing circles.
Oh yeah. Top. Oh no, it's not.
There's one.
Like up top.
There's one. There's one.
I don't think there's anybody out there younger than like 75.
The aqueduct is fake. It's a reproduction of what it would have been like, or it's like an example. On that subject, it turns out a lot of things in Barcelona are fake, or that they've been relocated. For example, the Gothic Quarter has a lot of Gothic buildings that were relocated from other parts of the town to make the Gothic Quarter more Gothic. They look a little crazy. I just noticed this bench. 5 minutes.
Oh, it starts in 5 minutes?
Yep. Even though it seems like it started now.
Testing the water.
Oh God! We're having to end early tonight.
That was a good pun.
It was a good pun.
Totally spontaneous.
No pre-planning on that. Oh. This is like the ultimate vending machine.